Project management is cross-functional and spans across all industry sectors. Projects aren't always tied to organizations or businesses. They can be found everywhere in our lives. For instance, building a house, seeking a career progression, or simply getting married, all of these are projects. This is why project management is often seen as a life skill. Projects can be as straightforward as making a salad in our kitchen. Imagine you're hungry and want to eat a salad for lunch. You walk into the kitchen and start preparing the ingredients. Assume that you already know how to make a salad, and if not, you're going to refer to a recipe book anyway. Your project plan. You gather the vegetables of your choice and you decide the quantity of each. You wash them, cut them into pieces, gather them on a plate or bowl, add salt, pepper, and other ingredients as you please. Once the salad is complete, you bring it to the table ready to eat. This whole process of salad preparation can be seen as a project which involves decision-making, planning, performing, monitoring, governing, and managing things until the intended results are accomplished. In a more formal environment, like an organization, which is a house for numerous projects, the role of a project manager is highly significant and demanding. This demanding role requires a diverse skill set, effective communication, leadership, and the ability to navigate complexities while maintaining a strategic focus. Projects drive change in an organization. For example, development of a software, migration from a physical data center to virtual cloud, replacement of old machinery, decommissioning a site or a plant, building an office space, adapting a new technology across the organization, and making process improvements can be some of the major projects that influences change to the environment. Another key aspect of project management is stakeholder communication and engagement. Identifying stakeholders, analyzing their interests in the project, engaging them in projects as appropriate, and maintaining regular project communication with them will assist in running the project effectively. Project managers play a crucial role in delivery because they are responsible and accountable for the success of the project. Projects are temporary endeavors with a definite start and an end. Due to this constraint, the entire project lifecycle is managed in different stages called process groups. To elaborate this further, a project manager is responsible for the 5 process groups in a project, such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. As soon as a project is initiated, the project manager must define and determine the scope of the project, identify the different stakeholders in the project, proceed to develop a detailed project plan, identify the early risks in the project with suitable response actions, conduct procurements if any, execute the project plan, monitor the deliverables for correctness, and finally, submit the deliverables to client and close the project. Throughout the project lifecycle, the project manager should ensure that the defined scope, schedule, and the cost of the project are in alignment with the project plan, and so a project manager is in charge of a project from end to end. A project manager is also responsible for developing and maintaining a collaborative team that works in synergy towards delivering a successful outcome. This requires the project manager to exhibit emotional intelligence towards the project team and to the project environment. As leaders, the project managers have the responsibility to motivate, direct, and guide the team towards successful delivery. This motivates, directs, and guides the team towards successful delivery. Project management is a life skill that paves the way for competitive advantage, where organizations can thrive through successful project delivery. Roles and responsibilities of a project manager are spread across the project life cycle or spread across the process groups. In this video, you have learned about project management and its cross-functional and industry-crossing qualities. Projects can be found in everyday life as well as complex business scenarios. Having the skills to oversee and guide these projects maintains an invaluable skill in today's world.